Hello. Something interesting about Italian language. Italian is a Romance language spoken primarily in Italy, but it also holds official status in Switzerland, San Marino, and Vatican City. With its roots in Latin, uh, Italian boasts a rich linguistic heritage. One can often hear the melodious tones of Italian in passionate conversation about art, culture, and of course food. Uh, from the rolling hills of Tuscany to the bustling streets of Rome, regional dialects add unique flavors to this language. Um, for example, ciao serves as a friendly greeting while uh, grazie expresses gratitude. Whether ordering a classic espresso, or savoring a plate of spaghetti, mastering Italian opens doors to the heart of its vibrant culture. Thank you.